how big your bathroom is, it never feels like there's enough space available. So we've come to the Soak.com showroom here in Nuneaton to show you the 3 storage solutions which will maximise the room you've got available. Now, the first kind of storage that works in any bathroom is to utilise the space under the sink. If you're not planning to renovate, then you can buy caddies that fit round the sink. The only issue with those is that all your bottles are on show. So the better plan, and when you come to redecorate or reinstall your bathroom, is to factor in a vanity unit like these ones here. There are 2 main kinds. This one has the sink integrated into the unit. Others have the sink positioned on top. The best thing about them is that most of them allow the floor to flow underneath, which makes the space feel bigger, and because there's drawers, everything is hidden away. So secondly, if floor space is limited, then vertical storage is a great investment. Take, for example, this lovely ladder shelf here. It's great for hanging your towels over, and you can get much narrower versions if you've got less space. Wall-hung radiators are also a great solution. Not only do they give you somewhere to hang your towels, but obviously they're practical and provide your heat source. Finally, with vertical storage, a nice tall cupboard with a door so you can hide away toilet rolls and towels is the perfect solution if you don't want all your bits and bobs on show. The final storage essential, which works in any bathroom no matter what the size or shape, is wall shelves. Now these ones here, very on trend, hexagon style, and you can fit your nice bottles in them and they look really nice as a display. Now you can also get shelves which run the whole way across the top of the room, and they're really good for things that you don't need every day, so towels and those kind of things. Now if you're renovating, the best way to get shelves included into your bathroom is to ask your builder to create recessed shelving. What they'll do is create a stud wall slightly out from the existing wall, and that will allow them to create alcove storage. It's brilliant in a shower, next to a bath, or behind a sink. And the benefit of that is that you're creating the stud space, you've got plenty of room to hide away any pipe work, which makes it look better. So there you have it, 3 storage solutions that will work in any bathroom and give you more space for relaxing.